gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, which is where you're probably watching this. Another one from the Beauty Vault. It's the August 2018 Ipsy glambag selfie with no filter. All these are designed to give you selfies that you don't need filters for. Fun little canvas bag there. Bright pop of orange for summer. Let's get into these cute little products. So again, Ipsy August glam bag. Cute little bag. Lined on the inside. Got a little fringy tassel there. All designed to give you a selfie that you do not need a filter for. So, first item is Smashbox Cosmetics Studio Skin Concealer in Light. Your little under eye here. Test it out. You're just gonna do it with the fingers here because we're just being quick about it. Make sure I get it blended in there. There we go. Concealer here, a little bit on that. We'll see how it covers blemishes. A little bit there. Yeah, look at that. Boop. Okay. So, Smashbox. Love. It's 24-hour, it's waterproof. Awesome. Then we have the Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. I've gotten this a couple times in a couple other boxes and stuff. I love it. Keeps the frizz down. I don't have it on my hair right now. However, I like to put it in there, scrunch it up, let it air dry. You get some nice beachy waves in your hair. So that's fun. Then we have Pixi by Petra. If you like it, you can get it at Target. Or if you're in LA, you can go there to their storefront in Venice. I actually got invited there after BeautyCon one year after I won one of their gift bags. So it's a cute little store. This is Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. Do that. And there, give it a little color. There we go. A little color. Beach Rose. Blend that a little more. Then we have Eddie Funkhouser, which is hilarious for me because I was a fan of Curb Your Enthusiasm and Funkhouser. May he rest in peace. I cannot get this freaking open. Oh, hopefully I don't poke a hole in it. Okay, does not want to come open. That's always promising. Ah, there, got it. There we go. Boom. They're glow drops in Candlelight. Now you can mix them with foundation. You can mix glow drops with foundation. You can mix it, you can just use it as a highlighter. In this case, we're just going to use it as a highlighter. Put it here, put it right there, and then we're going to use the brush to kind of fill it in. We'll do a little bit on the nose there. Check it with the mirror. There you go. As you can see, the light hits. Get a nice highlight with the the glow drops. You can also mix it, like I said, mix it with foundation. So you get all over luminosity. And then finally, we have the Macy and Mia lip gloss in Ava. It's a nice neutral nude. One of the things I like to do is when guys ask me for nudes on social media, I like to line up all my nude lipsticks, snap a picture of them, and be like, there's your nudes. That's a little hack. Now, if you want to deal with people that are asking you for nudes, do that, because about 7 times out of 10 after I do that, they block me. Anyway, that's the August Ipsy. Follow me. Until next time, stay beautiful.